Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you hide apps in your iPhone or iPad after iOS 18 update. So simply, you may check I have latest iOS 18 version, and you may check click here on General, click here on About, and you may check I have latest iOS 18, so I can hide apps easily. So simply, guys, you may just select any app from here and click and hold for some second on that app. And before this, you may make sure that you have enroll Face ID on your iPhone. So you may click here on Settings again, and you may click here on Face ID and Settings. So click here and you may enroll your Face ID from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may just select any one app from here, for example Binance US. So click and hold for some second on this and click on require Face ID and click on hide and require Face ID. So click here guys, and after this you may click here on hide app, and you may check guys Binance US is not showing here. Even you may search here, so you may check this is not showing. So our app has been hide and no one can find this. Even you can find this and you can use this. So well, this method guys, you can hide your apps easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.